Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Dr. HR. My name is Anil and I am an HR practitioner, and in today's session I wish to share my point of view around few of the trends that we would see post-COVID across organizations, across geographies. Today I am going to discuss about work from home and its possible benefits. And normally I am sure you would have come across statements like work from home is the new normal. So first thing, there is nothing called new normal. What we believe new normal today, tomorrow organizations are going to evolve and there is bound to be new ways of working again. Number two, when we say work from home, my counter argument would be, why work from home? Why not work from anywhere? In a strong performance driven culture, what matters is what has been an individual's net value addition to an organization against those assigned tasks. If somebody is able to establish that, I think that suffice. Organizations would be happy to allow people either to work from home or work from anywhere. That doesn't really matter. Now, coming back to our original point of the potential benefits of work from home, I have a small acronym in my mind. I call it STOP, wherein S stands for social distancing. I strongly believe that the virus is here to stay. And if that is the given thing, how do I find out ways to peacefully coexist with the virus, at least till the time you have a vaccine in place? Work from home as a methodology definitely helps in maintaining that social distancing, and hence, yes, it is beneficial. Number two is about T. T stands for the travel time. Irrespective of which city you belong to, everywhere it is an established fact that more than 20% of your time you spend in commuting. And that takes a toll on the overall productivity and efficacy level of an individual. And work from home gives you that flexibility, and you can actually focus on your work and deliverables, and you can avoid that commuting time. Third thing in the scheme of things is, and O is for office occupancy. I'm sure you would have seen most of the organizations right now are focusing around providing co-working spaces, allowing people to work from home. And what it means is your investment on office infrastructure, office space is going to go further down in the times to come. And that's one more benefit for both the stakeholders, and hence office occupancy is the third benefit of working from home. And the fourth and last benefit of work from home is P, and here P stands for the pollution. Any Indian city you talk about, every city is grappling with pollution issues. But during this unprecedented time, when we all were observing lockdown, we have seen less number of vehicles plying on the road, less number of business activities, industrial activities happening all around us, and that has drastically brought down the pollution rate. And hence I strongly believe that work from home helps us out in all those four aspects, and I believe it's here to stay. If you found the video useful, would request you to like, share and subscribe to Dr. HR, my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.